Look at that big ass fly. I'm finna get it. It's gone, huh? Okay, today we doing our vision board project, and we got 2 boards here. We got some markers, we got some scissors, and we got some magazines, and of course some glue sticks. So we're gonna do our vision board and our visions for 2019, and I'll show you guys the vision board once I'm done. But I got this idea off just watching some other vision board ideas on YouTube, so I figured why not do it so we could see our goals and actually work towards those goals together, right baby?
Right baby.
Okay, so we're gonna get started. I guess we'll see you guys at the end. So this how it goes. So you can either write your 2019 or you can use these letters. Me too. All right, so I'm gonna do mine. All right, so I'm gonna show you this thing that I got. This thing that we can copy from. Just like this. Not copy, but use it as inspiration. This one is, it lists your goals. Like, okay, what you want for your health goal, your fitness goal, your money goal, your career goal. You get it? You don't have to put a photo of yourself because obviously it's your social goal, blah, blah, blah. This one is, says family career. Then it don't, you could just take out or put in what you want. I like this one. Which one you like?
Which one you said you like?
I like the pink one. You don't like that one?
I want that one.
Okay. No. It's just what you want to copy off of. You put whatever you want to put on it. I'm just saying which one will help you guide you better. You understand what I'm saying? Do you have anything that maybe you can cut out of?
This ain't gonna work for me. Ain't gonna work.
So what should we do?
I mean, you can do yours. I can look at you, and then what I would do is surprise you when you come back and I have mine done.
You sure?
Yeah, I can go somewhere. I mean, I can try to see where I can go get some magazines. So that can,
You can't work with that, huh?
There ain't nothing I can work with. Unless I see a nice home that can be a home goal. I don't see. Ain't nothing that can relate to me.
Alright, let's go to the library right quick, man.
Baby, ain't doing all that.
Why? You got somewhere to go?
No.
Well, let's go. The library right there.
Alright, you know.
Babe, it's still only noon.
Alright, babe. I kind of got off with that.
Oh, you going crazy? Yeah. See, I put like lose 25 pounds this year. I want to be a full-time YouTuber and a part-time flight attendant.
You gonna write that on your board though?
I'm not gonna write that, but I'm gonna have pictures that show that. For instance, I'm gonna have a picture of a YouTube and a flight attendant, but my YouTube picture is gonna be bigger than my flight attendant picture.